Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have my mini drone here. This is the H36. So I'm going to go ahead and do a flight test outside. Now, I've done a flight test with this one here indoors, but I never brought it outdoors. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it outdoors. But really fast here, let me show you what the drone looks like. It's a mini drone. It's super tiny, as you can see here. Comes with a battery. You only get one battery, too. And, of course, you get the remote controller. And, of course, you do get the user manual. And also, you do get additional blades here, as you can see right here. And it does come with a charging cable, which I left at home. But I'm going to go ahead and take this out right now. And I'm using my my action cam. Here's my first time I'm going to be using this. I'm going to strap this to my head and try to give you guys some footage. This way I don't have to use my regular camera, and then you know the drone like goes out of the frame. You're not able to see it. So hopefully I have it right on my head perfectly where you guys can see everything. So let's go ahead and take this right out there.
All right, here we go. Hope you guys can see this, but let's go ahead and fire this baby up. It's not really windy today either. It's a nice, beautiful, perfect day here. Let me do some flips here in 1 second. Let's do a front flip. Ready? Oh! Whoa! Ready? All right, here we go again. Ready? Woo! Nice flip. Let me see how high this thing can go. You guys ready? You know what? I don't think I can go that high because I'm like in a baseball field right now. If I go too high, it might escape and run into the streets, or I might lose it somewhere. Oh! Whoa! One more time. Ready, guys? Let's throw this. Ah! Whoa! Nice. Whew. Well, there you guys go. It's definitely a lot funner running it, playing with this indoors. Outdoors, there's like a little tiny bit of wind. It is a little bit difficult to control, but still fun.